Let's understand the Lean Six Sigma belt hierarchy. Now in Lean Six Sigma, there are various belts or levels we can call them. So you can make a note of these levels to understand where these kinds of levels and belts can be applied in your organization. Let's begin with the white belt level. At the bottom, you can see this. Okay. Now imagine your organization as a tree, and the fruits are nothing but, let's say, problems or challenges which we encounter in every day of our life. So white belt can be compared by the fallen fruits on the ground, which are blinding obvious. Okay, so white belt level, basically what we give is a general understanding of this DMAC process, these five stages, and the, the problem solving approach, which is universal in nature. So generally white belt level training happens for 1 day, and after giving DMAC methodology explanation, we generally give them where this white belt level knowledge can be applied. Okay, then come to the next level, which is called yellow belt level. Now yellow belt level training happens for 2 days, and then there are certain low hanging fruits which can be plucked by using yellow belt level training program. Now in yellow belt also DMAC methodology is used. Okay, plus there are certain tools we use in the DMAC methodology which can be applied by the practitioners, and some smaller problems can be solved in their own processes. Okay, so yellow belts are expected to support green belts and do some smaller improvement projects like Kaizen projects. Okay, then the next level is green belt level, where generally we have a training in the classroom about 5 days, and then it is expected to do a mid-sized project. Now you can see a middle of the tree where there are certain fruits. So these kinds of fruits or these kinds of projects are expected to be completed by the green belt. So green belt level training is for 5 days on an average, and then the project duration is somewhere around 3 months. Okay, then comes the black belt. Now black belt level person is having more skills than green belt and yellow belts and black and white belts. In black belts, we cover advanced level statistical tools. So those can be used for certain complex projects in the organization. Projects which are chronic in nature, projects which run across various departments of the organization are typical projects of black belt. Now, black belt training goes for 8 to 10 full working days, and the project timeline is somewhere between 4 months to 6 months of time period because of the complexity of the nature of the project. Above all these levels, there is some belt called master black belt. Now, master black belt is a mentor in the organization, and he gives training to black belt, green belts, yellow belts, and white belts. Master black belt identifies the opportunities and converts them into projects and distribute it to all the practitioners of Six Sigma. Then master black belt makes sure that the technical aspects of Lean Six Sigma is taken care of. If there are certain escalations to be made to the top management, so it can be made by the master black belt. So I hope this gives you clarity about the belt hierarchy. Let's jump into the next level.